Hello, my name is Trina and I garden in Zone 10. Today I'm doing a walkthrough cleanup through my garden and I need to move my green stalks. It will be easier to water my plants if everything is all together. And I'm going to drop some seeds. I'm going to put green beans in one of my green stalk. I've had problems starting seeds in the green stock. So most of the time I have to start it indoors and then transplant them outdoors. So today I'm going to try again and I'm going to do all green beans and one of my green stalks. I haven't used my green stalks since the end of the summer. I weeded out all the roots and dead debris, and then I filled them all back up, except for the bottom tier. The bottom tier, I'm still a little in between if I'm going to plant something down there. If I do, it will be marigolds or some kind of flower. But other than that, I did not fill the bottom ones up. Just the top tier. This year, I want to plant more green beans than I did last year. You need a lot of green beans to be able to can or make a pot of green beans. So that's the reason why I'm filling one of my green stalks with green beans. I am using Provider green beans, and I'm going to put 2 seeds per pocket, just in case, 2 to 3, just in case some of them do not germinate. And if they do, if it's too many in there, I might have to thin them out. Other than that, as a backup, I'm going to plant more indoors. So I'm starting off with the Provider green beans, but indoors I'm going to use jade green beans. After I start my jade green beans indoors, I'm going to transplant them outside. I put the covers on my green stalk because the nights are still cool. Now that I have moved my green stalk, I have so much more space on my side porch. I am hardening off my strawberries because they are going in my second green stalk. And so hopefully I can fill that green stalk with healthy strawberries. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.